Hi, I'm Matthew May, the Tech CPA, and we get asked all the time, just break it down for us simply. Like, how do we get started? What are some simple things we can do for setting up our accounting records and just not messing stuff up in our business? So we put this series together to answer a few of those questions. So hopefully this is helpful. Let's start with a big question. Why should you care about financials? And it's all about your business surviving. So one of the major things that we work with entrepreneurs with is having a methodology and a framework for doing that monthly or quarterly review to make their business have a bigger chance of surviving. You have a 36% survival rate if you only look at your financials annually. Now that improves to over 70% chance of success if you review things quarterly, and almost 80% survival rate if you look at things monthly. We've developed kind of the Acuity way of doing things around a monthly cadence. And that monthly cadence ensures the highest level of success for the folks that work with us. So the other thing we're trying to do is give you simple rules that you can manage this in your life and not be all consumed by your finances. This structure, this framework is going to help you improve your odds as much as possible so you can focus on what you do best, which is operating and running your business. Let's talk a little about the financial journey you're on. You know, when we start talking about journeys, everybody has to go to Gartner charts. So your financial literacy in your business, you're kind of on this journey from moving from hindsight to insight to foresight. And you're like, translate that please, Matthew. Okay, so what that means and how we see that manifest itself with entrepreneurs is people that are managing their business from your bank balance, making decisions just because they see the bank balance and they think they have enough money. We try to push them through this journey to understanding their financials, and then we culminate the journey by helping them make data-based decisions in their business. So wherever you are on the continuum, we're trying to help you improve and progress through this financial journey with your business. How can we get all of those things kind of up and to the right? Because everybody knows that's where you want to be on the Gartner chart. There's 3 levers to pull to make any process in your business more efficient. Finance is no exception. People, process, and technology. We will help you lower the people time as much as possible in your finance and accounting function. And we will also focus the time you do spend on the most important parts of it, which is really getting to the next level that we talked about before, really understanding your business and making database decisions. So when we're talking about process, what we're gonna do is we're gonna create simple rules, and I'll give you an example. So the biggest mistake we see people make is the separation of church and state, business and personal. So there's 2 main areas we focus on in separating that. So we have a separate bank account that we use for our personal and a separate bank account that we use for our business. One of the things this allows us to do, it forces you mentally to transfer money from your personal account into your business account to track how much you've invested in your business over time. The other thing we do, I keep a personal card and a business card in my wallet. At the point of sale, I make the decision. Is this a personal expense or a business expense? When it's a business expense, I have it set up to where that auto feeds to the technology that I'm using, so I don't have to talk to my accountant at the end of the year about, oh, here's my credit card, this was business, this was personal. None of that. It really simplifies capturing that information and data on the back end with the technologies we're going to pick. So when we're starting out on technology, every business owner needs a simple accounting tool. And we recommend 2, QuickBooks Online and Xero. The only feature that matters, the base feature you need, is automated bank feeds, because that's going to pull all the information from the banks and the credit cards that we talked about for our business account into our financial records. Hope this one was helpful, kind of creating some simple rules. We've got more in store for you. We've got stuff on our YouTube channel about understanding your books, reading financial reports, KPIs, tax issues that you're gonna hit. And if we don't have something on our YouTube channel, hit us up on social media. Ask the question. We love building content for entrepreneurs. Luckily, we've helped over 2,000 entrepreneurs over the last 20 years, and we're looking forward to helping more.